Cool. I'm going to do my first tech dive. So the EdTech Foundations pre-assessment. So let me share my screen here. Share the entire desktop. All right. So basic computer, navigate between apps without a mouse. I don't own a mouse, so I'm not totally sure what that means. Let's see, to take a screenshot of the entire screen, Command Shift 3. Corner. Screen zoom, Command plus to zoom in, Command minus to zoom out. Save a file to desktop. I want a PDF of this and then save it. It's taking forever though. Create a split screen. I usually just resize manually, not the most efficient. To change the user profile, I go to a new tab and then I have a couple profiles here I can switch between. All right. Changing the desktop wallpaper is under System Preferences. I'll choose a graph. It's my wallpaper now. Yeah. All right. Install updates. Go to System Preferences and then Software Update. I'm not going to do it. It's going to take forever. Connect to Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi is up in this top bar. Bluetooth is here and Wi-Fi is here. That's basic computer. All right, web browser. Navigate between tabs without using a mouse. I just click back and forth. To pen tabs, right click pen. And then Google Chrome is penned. All right, copy and paste without format is Command C, and then Command V goes up here. All right. Use a Chrome extension. My extension is here, and then you can go to Manage Extensions to look at them, remove them, find more. All right, add a bookmark to the bookmark bar. Let's see, star it. If I don't want it to have a name, or if I just want it to be the icon, click done, and then it'll show up right there. All right, to group tabs, I go to tab and then group. You can name the group, change colors, whatever. Favorite websites, AKA a shortcut on Google Chrome. Go here, add a shortcut. I don't know, maybe I'll do GeoGebra. All right, navigate to my bookmark manager. I usually just go to bookmark and then bookmark manager, and it'll let me settle with them. Clear my history, go up here, show full history, and then clear. I don't want to do it because it's going to sign me out of all the Google stuff. Let's see, so that was web browser. Google Sheets is one of my tech dives. So create a new sheet. I would just search Google Sheets and then, I guess it's going to make me sign in. All right, blank. All right, so we created a new sheet. We want to apply a formula to a single cell. Click on that cell and then go equals, like sum is one of the only ones I know. So sum 2, 3, 4. That should be 9. All right, if I wanted to apply it to like A1 through A15, I don't exactly know how to do that. I I also don't know how to apply a formula to every single cell in this document. To freeze a cell, I think you right click and then more cell actions, protect range. I don't know if that's the same as freezing. Conditional formatting, right click, conditional formatting. Let's say if the box is not empty, fill it green. It fills green. All right, I need to learn formulas for things besides adding, because adding is one of the only things I can do in Sheets. One of the things I also want to learn how to do is how to sum like A1. If I have a column full of data here, and then I want to add like each respective column entry. So like A is full of data, B is full of data, sum A1 plus B1, put the result in C1. Or perform some operation besides adding. To add a row or column, I right click and then insert column, insert row. All right, arrange and align cell. So I go up to format and then you can align middle, wrap it, rotate it, etc. All right, my other tech dive is LaTeX, which I use to write proofs in my math classes. All right, so I'm a new document here. Setting up the preamble is all of this stuff. So if I'm doing math, I need to use the package AMSmath and AMSsymbol. If I want to use pictures, GraphicX, and then Teaks is what allows me to draw graphs. Creating a document header, it automatically creates this document header, but it's huge, and I would like to learn how to okay, well, the document is empty, but I would like to learn how to create a header that's smaller than that, because my math professors do it all the time. All right, to insert an image, let's see, I'll upload one here from my computer. And then go to the main document and begin. Here, include graphics, start typing the name of it. And we change the caption to screenshot, which is what this is. And there's my pic. Yeah, it's got the caption. All right. To enter math mode, that's what you do if you want to display something like 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. Or if I want to say that 2 is an element of real numbers. So it's easier to see. Yep, there we go. All right, to create a matrix, we do matrix. Let's see, I'll do a 2 by 2. So 1, the and tells it that you're on the same row, but you want a new entry. Double backslash means move to the next row. Here's my matrix. All right, to create a system of equations, I think you do like begin equations. Do this. I honestly am not super sure. 1. I would have to Google this because I don't know right now. I believe there's something you have to do with like this to indicate that you're moving from one equation to the next. To bold, italicize, or underline text. So text bold font is bold text. Text IT. And I don't think this is the right command. but I don't know what the right one is. Yeah. To change the text size or style, I don't know how to make this a different font or how to make the font bigger. So those are two things I want to learn. Features of the page setup. I don't really know how to create columns. I know how to indent. You just put /indent for your text, and then the bold font. It's indented over, which you can see because 2 is to the left, and then bold is farther over. Let's see, to center paragraphs, not super sure. Creating lists, you just do enumerate. Enumerate item, so list item 1. I want a sub list under that. Begin, enumerate again. And then you keep doing that. All right, so that's LaTeX. My last tech dive is GeoGebra. I know GeoGebra is a lot of like clicking, but I want to get more proficient at it and also to learn the capabilities. It's like, it's being super slow. So I can type in a point there. I can also go to point and then click somewhere. I can create a line by going to lines, A to B. Creating a regular n-gon. So that's like if I want to create a hexagon where all the sides have the same length. We'll start it here and then say that there's 6 sides. We want to reflect the shape over a line. We can, go somewhere and do it. Here we go. Transform shape over this line. There's the image. If I want to rotate the shape about a point, under transform, I click the shape, I rotate it around point B, let's say 45 degrees. And then there's the new shape. So if I want to measure an angle, I can also measure angle, say between D and A. See, I don't exactly understand what it's doing with like, if I sat here and thought about it and I wasn't like on a Zoom recording, you probably understand, but I want it to like just give me the angle automatically. Like I'm confused. Let's see, I'm going to create another line and then see if we find a point of intersection of that line. Where do I go? Lines. Say between B and 2. Right. They intersect, click this line, click that line. They intersect at the point K. Okay. Find the root of a graph. So we'll go to our algebra and create a graph that I know the roots of, which is like x squared minus 4. The roots of this are -2 and +2. Let's see, where's our graph? No, I don't really know why I can draw it. Sensitive. Equals x squared minus 4. All right. Go back to tools, and then we'll select roots of this graph. It puts 2 points at M and D, which are -2 and 2. To find the extrema, so that means maximum and minimum. If there should be a minimum at -4. To select this graph, it puts a point at N, and that's -4. So those were all the tech skills I wrote down. Yeah.